And then we get to the managers. So Coke had such an incredible model. In this is a company that just produces fountains of cash. It just gushes cash. You just can't lose money. You just send the syrup and you're getting massive. And so what the company did over the years is, generally speaking, what happens is that when you have businesses with great business models, you end up with dumb managers who do dumb things, because even when they do dumb things, they look really good because the business is so good. And so Coke would put their money into buying shrimp farms in Thailand and all these unrelated businesses, and almost everything they bought was a far worse business than the core business that they had. And in 1981, two guys came on the scene. Roberto Goizueta became the CEO, Cuban guy, and then Don Keough became his under him the president. And so these two guys, and Goizueta was, there were some unusual people in the history of Coke going back the decades, but Goizueta was a very unusual guy. So he was really good at marketing and branding, understood this model really well, and he was really good at finance, understood capital allocation really well. Very unusual to have a numbers guy with a branding guy put together. And Keough was just a great operator. So what they did when they came on the scene in '81 is they started dumping all the other businesses. They got rid of everything Coke owned, which was not related to beverages. They got rid of, and the only thing they bought was they bought Paramount Pictures in '81, and then they realized about 5-6 years later that even that was dumped, and in '87 or '88 they dumped Paramount Pictures. So what Warren saw was, from 1981 till his first purchase in '88, in 7 years, that these two guys, finally, this was a company that had real capital allocators. And so what they were doing is aggressively buying back the stock. So what the Coca-Cola Company started doing was, they had this gush of cash coming in. The dividend was going on. It's one of the only companies that for 50 years, I think more than 50 years now, has raised the dividend every single year. I think there's no other company on the NYSE that's done that. There's some that have maintained it, but they've raised dividends every single year. So the first thing they did was they got rid of all the crappy businesses, sold them, and the second is they started aggressively buying back stock. So basically they took their cash flows, and Goizueta was brilliant. So Warren, I think, saw what was going on with Roberto Goizueta and Don Keough, coupled with all the other stuff I just told you. So now you finally had a business which had management that got it, and that's why they went in. And Roberto Goizueta himself owned 2.5% of Coke. So he actually had a significant economic interest, and went from there.